Listen attentively, you will no longer blue account again if you listen to this, because I just blew an account of $400. I flipped from $100 to $400 in just 2 days, and I blew it off. What I did wrong and why I was able to do this is what I want to explain to you. Listen to this video in full so you can learn more from this. Thank you so much, guys. God bless. Cheers. All right, welcome back everybody. As I said earlier, I will be explaining to you why this account got blew off. Actually, before, I should tell you people that before, if you want to flip an account, you should have inside in the back of your mind that I'm ready to lose this money. If the money you are investing is not something you're ready to lose, then you shouldn't try it at first. It's $100. You can afford to lose that. It's $200, $500. Some people can afford to lose a certain amount of money, while some people cannot afford to lose. You understand? So when this money is quite relative, I may not be able to afford to lose 10,000, 15,000, 10,000. Maybe be able to afford to lose 50 or 10. You see? So it's quite relative and very different. But in this case, in this scenario, I will be showing you and putting you through what I did wrong, what I believe I did wrong, because that's one of the things that will help you and scale you up profitability. If you go to the market and then something happens to you, you have to come back, reflect on yourself, because it is you and you. This game is all about you and you. I used to tell people the game of the FOREX or financial market is not about you and clients or you and customers. It's about you and me, myself and I. Am I talking to someone? Myself and I. So anything that goes on in the market, do not put that blames on. Put it on yourself. Even though market may have its own dynamism, market will have its own volatility, market will have its own whatever. However, it is still you, myself and I. Am I talking to someone? So it is always borders to you. Look at yourself as being hold yourself responsible in this aspect, and hold yourself so that the next time you can be able to approach the market more better, more prudently, with more discipline, with more patience, and every other thing that you may need to know. Am I talking to someone? So that is exactly what I will tell you today. So this account funded, and I felt, okay, let me trade it to 5. Is it 5 or 1,000? Then I can do a video for you guys that you guys can watch, and of course learn how to do same as well. But unfortunately, I started with this 100, and then of course it goes to $400, and then I feel I blew off. Actually, before it got blew off, these are the things I believe I did, because of what to call trading journaling. While I was journaling some of my trades, while I was journaling them, I realized that these are the things I did wrong. I shouldn't have done. Though I actually let in for such, because it's something I can afford to lose. I was like, no, I'm not gonna close this shit, man. If it's and accept it, because I was actually mixed all of this thing. After I used all of my profits, and I mixed all my capital, because I was willing to lose that anyway. So and then, even though I was willing to do that, of course I would have let go, because trading is all about fight. You come in to fight, and if you don't win today, you go back, you retreat to fight tomorrow. You don't stay in the battle. That's I must win this battle. I must win this battle. I must win this. Come on to our family. I must win this battle, and yet you are losing. You are defeating you. You are not wise. You're not a prudent warrior. Why should you stay on the war field, and of course you're losing? Your guys are dying. Everyone is crying, and then you were ambushed. Come on, and you said, no, I would die. Yeah, you're a soldier. It's not done that way. So the same thing happens to trading. So once you are being ambushed by the market, you don't have to. That's what many believers, many beginners does a lot. You always try to. No, I must win today. You don't have to. All days are not your days. That is all. Same thing as well as Christmas is not every day. New Year's never. Same thing happens to the market too. Not all days will just favor you. Sometimes the market manipulator will just come and spike you out. Accept it. That is not your day. Come back the next day. The next day you just see that, wow, same trade, same setup, same everything, and give you a crazy profit, and you be like, I'm done for the day, man. I'm done for the week. I'm done for the month. That's exactly how it works. Somebody talking to somebody. So that is exactly how it works. So you should always have that mindset at the back of your mind that trading is also about coming, You don't come in and say, by all costs, even though if it's not working your way, at all costs, I want to win. I want to keep winning the battle. I want to stay in the battle. You have to retreat. There are times that you have to just come back, retreat, then re-strategize, then launch back again. You're ambushed. In such, you don't have to fight on, guys, keep fighting. No, just ambush, retreat, guys, retreat. Yeah, you have to retreat, gather yourself, guys, and prepare yourself well again, of course, and then launch attack to your enemies. So that's how it works. So as I was saying earlier, that trading is all about what myself and I. It still boils down to you personally, you yourself. It's not someone else. Even though they are market makers, market manipulators, and the likes, it still boils down to what? Taking the responsibility, taking the actual fact about that I am the one in control. I am in business with myself, and I am me and everything. It's not someone else. I'm trading. I'm doing everything. So you have to be yourself. You have to understand the fact that it's all about yourself. So while I was going through my trading journal, I realized that, but because whenever something goes wrong, you should always ask yourself. Well, that's what will help you step you higher. What do I do wrong? What have I done? What should I have done better? In case this kind of stuff comes in, I can always do. You get. So while I was doing, I looked at it and I saw that firstly, I wasn't following my setup. At times I didn't follow the main setup. I actually designed for flipping. There are some setup that you should know that this is for flipping. Once I see this setup, I don't know. Oh my God, I want to flip. Let me flip, man. I just tell people that flipping is not what you do all the time, because it's not. Sustainable. Or for example, you can say it's quite illegal, and because it's not what you can do all the time, but you will just wear yourself out. Flipping should be occasionally, because in the real fact of it, it's not something that is sustainable and quite legal for trading settings. Because those who does that or who indulge in such, they must have been profitable, and they're good traders. Of course, understand some things very well, and they do it. But you don't understand yet, and you don't want to gamble yourself. You just kill yourself. You are just gambling. People that don't even maintain $10 accounts for 1 month, you want to flip. It worked out? No, it's what you see yourself blowing more than you win, because of what you have not stabilized yourself. Your feet were in the makings of the lead two. Once you can stabilize yourself in the making of the lead two, or definitely you will be able to make much more from the flipping account, from the flipping or whatsoever, matches to someone. So that's how it works. So I realized that the first one I didn't follow myself. There's a setup I used to use strategically for flipping, but when you're making pam, sometimes you just feel, I know this one is going to sell, but I just felt, you just begin to enter any trade and then forgotten that no, I shouldn't trade this. You don't be traded. Just wait for the next one, because the setup will always coming. The setup will always keep coming and coming. So I didn't wait for the setup for the flipping setup I designed for flipping, and has helped me to make money flipping a lot. I didn't wait first for it, so I just saw it. This should have done. Of course, this is a likelihood of this thing I should do. Then that was how I sold, and then I sold, and that was it. Secondly, I over leveraged. Now you're flipping. What do you expect, man? I was using about at first 60 to 80%. I leveraged it to 100%. I moved it to 200. I wish all actually. I wish all, because I go in all. I was ready to actually move it to like crazy 1K that day. If I had go my way, probably that day it will be 1K. Then I'll just do a video and then that's all. So it will be 1K actually. So, but actually, fortunately for me, I should tell you guys that market sometimes will just delay things for you. Market can delay its movement for 12 hours, 24 hours, 34 hours, 48 hours. You can't stop it. You are not in control. Market that can move in less than 2-3 minutes. Boom! That same setup, that same pair, that same trade, that same market, that same everything can delay for 10 hours. And you still be waiting there. You will keep consolidating or go front and come back. But you just keep doing a lot of crazy shit, and you're like, what the fuck? So that's the market for you. It will test your patience. It will test everything inside of you. So I over leverage why market never moved at that time until late hour in the New York section, and they started moving and stuff like that. So over leverage it got me, of course, drawdowns and all that stuff like that, and then So that was the second thing I believe I did wrong. Yeah, that was the second thing I did wrong. And then I think that was it. That was just two things. Yeah, So just notice, okay, so I was saying, so if you're just joining us for the very first time, this is the first time watching our video, I want to urge you, please and please subscribe to this channel so you can learn much more about forex trading, how to be profitable step by step with ease, because we break things down here so easy. Thank you. So, and also we also have this family where we drop signals, daily signals, amazing ones. So if you would like to join, you can join us. It's free. Click the link below or in my bio. So that's for that. So, and then lastly, I'll say, what else do I think? Okay, the last one was just I missed all, actually. I missed all. So it was not, so after then I said I'm not going to be wasting all, because even though you missed, I still have $10, $20, I still move back. I still move that $10 back to $100. And from $100 you can only sleep again. So yeah, so that's why I believe in this. So since then I said I was willing to risk it, because of course I could afford to lose it. So I shouldn't have risked all. If I still had left, of course I would definitely have moved that back to 50, $100, and from $100 you can now begin the journey. So that was it. So that was it. So however, let me know in the comments if you want me to do another one, because so I can show you out. I'm willing to do another one soon, probably $500 or 1,000. Once it's done, I will throw out the video for you guys, and of course see how it goes, guys. So you also want me to do that? If you want me to do that, click in the comment on the description, and let's see how it goes, guys. Thank you so much for joining me once again today, and don't forget to have a wonderful day. Peace out, guys. Cheers.